everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you caught the last video, we were at Wengerd Performance picking up Alex's car from being tuned, and you seen that. He did a great job as always. But we are now back at Dover's shop. We've got the car unloaded and got it up in there. And then, guys, want to show you a few things. Right here, the shop is coming along very nicely. Take y'all out here and show y'all a little bit. So this should be done, we're hoping, this week, and we are going to be able to get some more coyote swaps in here and get it done. Highly looking forward to that. Be a lot bigger than that little shop right there and be able to do a lot more work at one time. And of course there's the F100 that he will not sell me. And there is it's Crown Vic or Grand Marquis. Same thing. Cop car, actually out of Grand. Well, I know it's the exact same thing, but you know. Might be. Might have better pad. But gonna throw that up under this and put a coyote in it, right? Correct. Yes. It's gonna get a coyote. 6R80. Crown Vic front end, 6R80. Boss intake. Boss intake. It's gonna be mean. It's gonna be mean. Of course, Wengerd Performance will be doing the tuning on it. So let's go check out. He got the strawberry car back, guys, from paint. Let's go check it out. I don't know if you're ready for it, Ken. I haven't seen it myself yet, so I'll be seeing it for the first time on camera.
Maybe we should push it out where you really see it.
Ooh wee, guys, look at that. Oh my. Woo. All right.
Let me get the brake off. It's on a little bit.
Okay.
It's even better in the sunshine. It really ain't got no bed. And it's dirty.
Woo. Lord, guys, man, just look at it. Would you just look at it? Oh. This thing is going to make somebody a very sweet car. Man. Woo-hoo-hoo.
That's even better in here.
Man, just look at that, guys.
Bottom of the hood. Just look at that. You can't stop looking at it.
Oh, look at even the bottom of the hood, guys.
Is that right? You can't stop looking at it.
Woo! Lord.
Next year I want that like that. Yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the footage from out of Dover's. Unfortunately, he had some stuff to take care of this evening, so I couldn't stay out there very long. But I did want to kind of give you guys an update of what's going on out there. As you see, the shop is coming along nicely. It should be done this week, so that would be great. And then he's got to do the electrical and stuff like that. But guys, that is going to be awesome to have the shop that big and be able to actually get multiple foxes in there for the coyote swaps and everything else going on. But guys, the strawberry coupe that I showed you the paint on, it is getting a coyote engine. And guys, that car, I actually showed a little bit of that car when he first got it. I will throw the link to that video down in the description. Go check that out. But that paint, it's absolutely perfect in my eyes. I could not find a flaw on that car. It is perfect. But guys, stay tuned. That car will be getting the coyote engine. He's actually putting the coyote engine that he took out of his white car, Phillip. He is taking that engine and putting it in the strawberry car with the manual trans. So I'm looking forward to that car being done. That's going to make somebody a great fox. But guys, Phillip got a hold of me and he's having a little issue with his car. Very minor. I'll fill you guys in on the issue when I get there, but we'll see you there. All right, so we're out at Phillip's. Let's see if we can get this issue resolved. All right, guys, so like I told you in the video on the way over here, it is a minor issue. It's easily fixable. We just gotta try going. What it happening is it keeps, he says it keeps coming off of here, and he has tightened this down. So the only thing I've done right now is I moved this clamp. There's a little lip right here, so I moved this clamp back as far as I could, push it up on here and tighten it down really good. So we're going to take it down the road and see if it comes off again. The only thing I can think of is it's getting up against this when he shifts and the motor flexes just a little bit, and it's pulling it off. The only thing I can think of, I haven't actually seen it happen. He's telling me about it. It's happened a couple times, so it is an issue. So we're going to see if moving this clamp just right solves it, or we're going to have to do some adjusting with this or something else, which I can't see it being adjustable, but we're going to drive it down the road and see how it does, guys. Alright guys, I am kind of halfway trusting Phillip. He has a habit of hitting deer. So, I'm a little on the nervous side right now. Alright guys, we're going to see if this thing, we fixed it. Sir.
That felt really good.
It did. It felt really good. So, problem solved?
Yeah. We'll do another test in Mexico again.
And we are in Mexico. Too shabby, buddy.
She's good.
She's healthy. She feels good.
Like I said, usually third and fourth shift it come right off.
Yeah. Well, that's what was going on. I believe you didn't have that clamp around that little lip just right. But problem solved. Easy fix. No big deal.
Just get careless.
It happens.
We're paying attention in a hurry, just trying to get it done real quick, and that's what happens.
It happens. No big deal. No big deal. Car feels great, man.
Appreciate that. Again.
Car feels, ain't no problem. Car feels great. I've been wanting to ride in it since you got all that stuff done anyway. So it gave me an excuse to come up here and get a ride in it.
I mean, it felt really nice.
Oh yeah, it felt great. All right, guys, we'll see you back at Phillip's. All right, guys. So problem solved. Like I said in the video, we did check it. One thing you gotta on this, guys, it's got a little spot in here where this butts up against, and then the lip is right there. So this clamp, if you see right there, it barely has anything right there, and so you got to pull it back and get it back behind that, between these two lips right here, and tighten it down. And so
I need to find a spot for that. She's good, boys.
Yep, problem solved.
Just need that good old Wengerd performance tune on it now.
That it does, but we're not gonna go there. Lund does do good. They do great. But when you have somebody local, it does help.
Yes, it does. Cool.
Car moves. These things naturally aspirated with E85 and a little work can really get down. If you wasn't going turbo, we could do long tubes and really wake it up, but yeah, the turbos are going to wake it up a whole lot more than long tubes.
Now, in the video you watched, now there's going to be one point where the car's going to feel slow to me, and I'd be wanting to spend that money and get some long tubes. But I know if I just wait a little bit longer, I can get them good old twin turkeys.
Guys, I'm going to end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.
See you when you see it. Peace.